So you were so close to winning. How does that make you feel?
Listen, a winner will always be a winner. So you know, I came out first runner-up, and that is beautiful. Thank you, mercenaries. Thank you, everyone that have voted and rooted for me. Like, you guys did that shit. Thank you guys so much. So yeah, you know, a win is a win, and there's no hard feelings. It's what it is. You know, at the end of the game, there can only be one winner, and by one, I'm so super happy for her.
Oh, that's sweet. Okay, so this last week, you and Pere, what's up?
Pere is my friend. Okay, guys, like Pere is my friend.
You were ready to no shipping, just friendship.
Did I say that?
Friendship is good, honestly. Not everything be shipping, honestly.
I think you guys should take the ones I said.
Yeah, so she said friendship.
Whatever she says.
No, please, not from my mouth. It's not from my mouth. Please.
Okay.
All right. There was a time you were demanding voluntary exit. Like, what got you to that point?
Yeah, a couple of times I demanded voluntary exits from the house. It's just like there was so much pressure from inside the house, and everyone who watched me knows I'm a very spiritual person. Like, I love God so much, and I pray a lot, and I could feel that so many things happening that I couldn't, like, there was no answer to it. I was just feeling exhausted, down, and at the time I came back to the show, my life was actually like, I was at the point or at a place that I was really comfortable. Everything was just perfect for me to come back and, you know, just have to think about it twice and keep questioning myself. Did I do the wrong thing? Should I have come back? You know, so it was just like a point that am I really doing the right thing? I should just, you know, tell Biggie to open the doors. And it was just like the pressure from the house mostly. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, that's valid. You got a strike. Were you expecting to get a strike?
They know I got my shit on. Well, no, I wasn't expecting to get a strike from mic infringement. Okay. But from the videos I saw, it was more like it was. I feel like it was due. I was due for that shit, and it happened. So yeah.
You were serving all-round content, including fashion content. Yo, I beg, give me some tips, because you were serving back to back content. Yeah. And anytime you bait and you come out, drop dead.
Come on, you're talking to the CEO of M&M.
Who am I now?
Like, who am I? How can I own a fashion brand, M&M Luxury, and even when I came, even the first time I came, I served.
You served.
So this time
even
around,
to the last day, even your birthday, your birthday day was shut down. We're like, yo.
I know, right? So just I am fashion. Fashion is me. Just look, I love to dress up. I love to, you know, have my shower, look cute, and just wear some nice stuff. And it's just that, it's nothing. It's just who I am. I love fashion, and as a fashion brand owner, I should always represent what I do. Yeah.
Nice. So now we'll start taking some comments from fans. Guys, this live stream is not supposed to be long, so if you're not here, too bad for you. This person from Uganda, we love you, my winner. Okay, you know what, let's just go on and take some calls. Guys, you can actually call in to talk to Mercy yourself. Hola.
I love you guys too. I love you from Uganda. I love you.
Guys, call in so that you can talk to Mercy.
Hey babies from Sierra Leone, thank you, love you too.
Okay, so celebrity DJ, how are you? Good evening. Can you hear me?
Mercy Lambo, I can hear you.
Hello?
Hello?
Okay, how are you?
Fine, good evening.
Good evening. So I have Mercy AK here with me. What
question? Of course, I can see her. Lambo to the world.
Period. Hi.
What question do you want to ask Mercy real quick?
Okay, nothing serious. I just want to tell her how much I love her. Man, she's so good. The energy is positive. The energy is real.
Thank you.
Regardless, I swear she's my winner. She's my winner. I love you, Mercy.
I love you too.
All right.
I love you
so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so we have so many people calling in. Probably you should choose. Who do you
Let me see. Let me see, Princess. Yeah.
Okay, Princess. Oh my goodness. I've picked another It's skipping.
It's like it's connecting. It's all.
Okay. Decency, you are the lucky person. The guest.
Hello.
Hi. Meseke is here.
Hi, Decency. How are you?
Fine. Good evening, my queen. I love you. I want to ask you a question.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. About you and WhiteMoney.
Okay.
Yeah. Like, I thought you guys would have something after the house, but since then I haven't seen anything. So.
Yeah, I think I just got out and WhiteMoney is busy. I guess I'm very busy. So yeah, we're cool. We just like had a great alliance in the house, and that's just what it is. So yeah, maybe you guys should just calm down. Okay?
All right. Thank you so much, Decency. Would have to let you go for now. Okay, so who else? Okay, the princess. Princess, you are the lucky person. Okay, Princess, your network is not connecting fast. I will go to Naomi. Hi, Naomi.
Hello.
Hi, good evening.
Hi. Good evening. So I wanted to ask Mercy a question about EK. Like, how does she feel that EK said all of those things while she was in a...
Hi, Naomi. Oh. What a shame, your network is off.
Hello, can you hear me?
All right, okay, you're here again.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, I'm here.
Okay, so probably repeat your question.
Okay.
All right, okay, now, Naomi, you are...
Crazy.
Breaking, so I would have to let you go. My apologies. And then Nelly, back up. You are the next person to speak. Hi, Nelly.
Level International.
How are you, Nelly?
I think the network here. The network here is terrible.
It's our network. It's not from them.
It's terrible. Lost connection.
Yes.
We still have like 2 more minutes to go. Network is bad. Okay, I think it's back now. Hi, Nelly. Nelly, are you still there? The network. Oh my goodness. I would have to change my network.
You could have used
Right. I'll just probably change that down. Hi. Yeah, of course, we can hear you. Please go ahead. Sorry, the network is giving us some issues, but please go ahead.
So, Mercy, how are you feeling? Wow. Great. It's an honor to Mercy. Wow.
Great.
Wow.
I'm fine. I'm feeling good. And you?
I'm fine. We thank God.
Please ask your question quickly so that we can wrap up.
Okay. So, how was your time in Big Brother? How was it? How can you just brief it up in the sentence? Throughout your time in Big Brother, how could you? How was the experience?
Yeah, I would say my time in Big Brother house was just like a learning process to me, and I enjoyed myself. I had fun. I met great people. Yeah, and I just enjoyed myself. I lost some, I won some. It was just good, like they say, the game is the game. So it was quite an experience, a good experience. Yeah.
Okay,
right.
Glad to hear.
Okay, Godwin, we have to let you go. No more question. Would have to let you go.
Okay. Just over 1 to 3.
Okay. All right, no, we just have to. Okay, so Mercy, let's wrap up.
Okay.
So, what words of, would I say, appreciation do you want to give to your fans out there? And
hey, missionaries, guys, the Dogo fan base. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for all you do for me. I'm really grateful. I will forever be grateful. And you know, it's real from this side. And you know, it is game time. I mean, work time. So just sit, relax. I'll put in the work. I love you guys. Keep writing for me. Keep waiting for me. Because this thing is a forever thing. I love you guys so much.
all right, thank you guys, ladies and gentlemen. That's all we are going to be taking from Mercy AK tonight. We'll see you guys in the very next one. For now, stay safe. God bless. Good night.
Good night.